Alright, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to show you how to use the controls on our DynaMount apps, including vertical mode, inverting gauges, and adjusting fine-tune increments. I'm using our OS X app, but it works the same for the Windows and mobile apps. Click on a device to open its control window. If you prefer, you can open it in a new window by selecting this icon. For large movements, drag one of the white gauge indicators. When you let go, the DynaMount will make its move. You can see the status indicator turns red while in motion and back to green when it's complete. While the app's default setup assumes the DynaMount is mounted horizontally and facing away from you, you may want to set up your DynaMount in other ways, such as vertically, upside down, or facing towards you, and the app can easily accommodate these setups. For example, if you set up your DynaMount facing you, the gauges will now be counterintuitive. To fix this, click on the gear icon and select Gauge Options. You can invert all three gauges so they will respond naturally. If you want to set up your DynaMount vertically, be sure to set it up with the top axis motor on top as shown in this picture. The clutch included in our accessory pack is very helpful here. To put the app in vertical mode, click on the gear icon, choose Gauge Options, and select the vertical mode box. And the gauges will now work intuitively. This axis is for up and down, and the rotation now acts as a tilt. Notice the vertical mode indicator in the top left corner. For fine-tune adjustments, use the blue nudge arrows. Alternatively, if using a computer, you can use WASD and Q and E, or the arrow keys as nudge hotkeys, allowing you to focus on listening as you dial in the perfect spot. The nudge increments default to 1 step or 1 degree of rotation, but each axis can be changed from 1 to 20 steps or degrees. Simply click and hold on a nudge arrow or use the blue gear to access the nudge options window. I'll set these two to 10 and let's try that out. And that's it. Be sure to watch our other video tutorials to make sure you are getting the most out of your DynaMount.